Assalamualaikum. So welcome to another video of study with ARS. Today's our topic as gases. So first of all, let's look at that from where this word derived from. So this word was derived from cause, and which is defined as stated as a small empty space between molecules to molecules called gases. Gases or consumers. Okay, so the definition of gases would be that a small empty space between molecules to molecules is called gases. Okay, so here gases are consist of a small particle which are atoms, and there is a lot more space between molecules to molecules. I know that you guys may be that thinking that this is not an important video, but I will be covering all from basics to advanced. Okay, so gases are consist of small particles, and they are having a lot more space, and they are free to move, and they will take the volume of a container. Okay, so gases have not uh, volume have not have negligible, you may say negligible, instead of writing not you can say have negligible uh, volume and have negligible mass. Okay, so gases have a mass, but that one is negligible, and gases also have volume, but that is also negligible. Why I'm saying that? For example, if we are having a container which carries a gas of you may say 10 gram of gas, and we are having another container which is smaller than the first one, which is smaller than the B and then the A, and so it can contain 10 gram of gas. So both are having different sizes, but still B container is taking the same gas as the A container. So it means that gases can be compressible, and they are not having any fixed volume. They will take the volume of a container. So that's why I've written here negligible. Okay, so now let's look at the gases on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. Okay, so first point of kinetic molecular theory says that gases are consist of small particle consists of smaller particles. Okay, this is the first point, and the second point in KMT is this, that the molecules of gases are far away from each other. Molecules are far away from each other. From each other. And the third point is this, that in gases we are having means in gases we are having a linear force, a linear not a force, a linear direction of molecule before collision. If examiner will ask that what is the motion of gases before collision, then you have to answer linear motion or linear direction. Okay, and what is the motion after the collision? And zigzag motion after the collision. collision. And one more thing about kinetic molecular theory, that it says that when molecules of gases when collides, there is no loss of energy. Why there is no loss of energy? Will be clearing you that thing. There is no loss of energy. For example, here we are having a gas molecule. So this one is uh, gas molecule is a rubber-like structure, rubber-like structure, or you may say that it is having a fluffy structure. Okay, so that's why it is having an elastic collision, and in elastic collision we are having no loss of heat energy. Why I have written here heat energy? Because of course the thing is this, that if molecules will be collide, there will be a heat, not another form of energy. So that's why I have written here there will be no loss of heat energy when elastic collision will be there. Okay, so let's look at the one more thing here, that if we have to take the means distance of a gas molecule, how we will gonna take. So the gas molecules distance can be can calculated according to free mean path. What is free mean path? I will be clearing you that thing. For example, here we are having a container, and here we are having gases. Okay, for example, this one gas molecule was going in a linear, but when it collided with the other one, then it converted its direction towards this one. For example, it traveled here from here to there, traveled around 5 angstrom. Okay, and from here to there, it traveled around 2 angstrom. And from this side, when it will move to this side, then it will, for suppose it will be taking a distance of 3 angstrom. Then we have to find, if we are gonna finding the distance, the total distance covered by this molecule, then we will be finding like this: 5 angstrom plus 2 angstrom plus 3 angstrom divided by 3, because number of distance are 3. Okay, so 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 upon 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and then 3 3s are 9. Okay, let's uh, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 1 will be remaining 0.0, 3 3s are 9, 1 will be remaining the 0. So it will be in a continuous 3.3333. So for example, this one distance is covered by this one molecule. Okay, so we can calculate the distance of a gas molecule by free mean path. Hope you guys have enjoyed our lecture. Well, first of all, let's look at one more point I forward. There is no effect of gravity. And one more thing, that temperature is directly proportional to kinetic energy of gas molecules. So hope you guys have understood our lecture. We will see you. First of all, let me give an thing about this one. no effect of gravity. Why there is no effect of gravity? Cause is this that if you look at the gas molecules, so there is no attraction force due to the negligible attraction for gas molecules are not having any effect of gravity, and due to a negligible volume, due to negligible volume and force of attraction between molecule to molecule attraction. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed our lecture. We'll see you in the very next video.